Sigh breathing. Different forms of breathing are associated with different feelings. For example, when joy is experienced, the breath is regular, deep, and slow. When anxiety, anger, or fear are experienced, the breath is irregular, fast, short, and shallow. Changing the rhythm of the breath can signal relaxation, slow the heart rate, and stimulate the vagus nerve, which is responsible for rest and digestion cues to the body. The sigh breath is a simple breathing technique that uses a long exhale with sound when the breath is leaving the body. It triggers relaxation with just a minute or two of practice. Before we get started, sometimes it's helpful to count to 4 on the inhale and 6 or 8 on the exhale just to establish a good pacing of the breath. The exhale should always be longer or have more counts than the inhale because we are working on relaxation. When breathing out, you're going to make a sigh vocalization, and you should feel a slight vibration in the area of your throat, which is actually going to be touching your vagus nerve to help you achieve relaxation. The louder you make your sigh, the bigger the vibration. Your breath may be fast or slower than my cueing, and that's okay. Stay with your own pacing rather than trying to match mine. Okay, let's get started. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, or relax your gaze downward, but keep your head in a straight and neutral position. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice if it's shallow or deep, and if it's shallow, what is it like to breathe just a little deeper? And when you're ready, take a breath in through your nose and pause for a count before letting the breath out through your mouth while making the sigh audible. Hold for a moment, and then again. Take a breath in through your nose and pause for a count before letting the breath out through your mouth while making the sigh audible. Hold for a moment, and again. Take a breath in through your nose and pause for a count before letting the breath out through your mouth while making the sigh audible. Continue with this breathing pattern for a minute or two, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and just breathe as your body allows.